Hi dear friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'm going to trade using the alligator indicator. I'll use the signals of this indicator to try and find good entry points and also make very good profit, but I'll mainly carry out technical analysis before using these indicator signals and try and hit my goal for today, and hopefully I'm able to do that by the end of this video. And also I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel, because in this private chat I always post their trading signals. I also always reply to all questions concerning binary trade, and also you can be able to learn more about binary trading. So if you would like to join, go under this video, there is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using this username. And also don't forget to support this channel, and the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. So let me show you how to open the first trade using this indicator. So if you'd like to activate this indicator, click this tab in the lower left corner. Then I'll choose the alligator indicator in the list. I'm going to keep the settings the same, but only increase the thickness of the tool line. So I'm going to save this indicator settings. So this tool consists of 3 moving averages of green, orange and red colors, and my task could be to open a trade down if I see that the moving average line is crossing the red moving average line from top to bottom. Then I'll open my trade down, and if it's from bottom to top, then I open for an up trade. So I'm going to open several trades using the indicator signals, and I'll show you how these indicator signals work. So here you can see the green moving average has already crossed the orange one and is approaching the red one. The chart forms a series of red candlesticks and the moving averages are about to intersect. I'm going to open a short trade as soon as the moving averages touch. You see the indicator gave me a clear signal to open a down trade, so I'm going to expect a further trade down. So you can see that the price formed a large red candle which easily closed our first trade in a plus. You can see that the chart continues to decline along the trend, and you can see that this is a good start for my trading. So let me continue. Here you can see that there has been a sharp intersection of the moving averages. You can see that on these large green candlesticks, I'm going to be opening a trade down before the price managed to go down significantly. You can see that this is a clear signal as the intersection of the moving averages has happened, and I'm sure that the price will continue going down. This is awesome. You can see that the moving averages were moving down. The chart was also moving down, and I got very good profitable trade. So let me find my next entry point. So here you can see that there may be a crossing of the moving averages. So I'm going to open a trade a little bit in advance. You can see that the chart has a downtrend, and after a small reversal, the price starts to be trending again. You see that the sharp intersection of the moving averages allows us to expect a major decline in the next minute. So let me wait and see the results. You can see that this price continued to decline steadily, and I was able to successfully close this trade. This was a very good signal, and I was able to make very good profit. So let me go on. You can see the intersection of the orange line from top to bottom. The chart shows a large increase. You can see that now the price is being adjusted and we expect a decrease. So here I'm going to open a trade down. The indicator gave us a signal to the entry point, and I'm expecting a price reversal soon. So you can see that the price continued declining despite a large green candlestick in the middle of the trade. The exit point of this trade was below our entry point, and I was able to make very good profit. So let me go on. Here you can see that the green moving average line crossed the orange one from bottom to top. I'm expecting the intersection of the red line in the near future. You can see after a long time downtrend, the price begins to form a reversal with green candlesticks. So I'm going to be waiting for a full-fledged intersection and open a trade up. The moving averages touched here, so I'm going to open a trade up because this is a clear signal. So let me wait and see the results. So here you can see that the green candlesticks continue to be forming. The price is moving up quite impulsively, and I was able to close my trade profitably here. So let me find my next entry point. So I'm going to immediately open a trade down a second before the intersection. I can see that the intersection of the moving averages was caused by the 2 large red candlesticks, and I'm sure there will be a further decline. So let me wait and see the results. So this is awesome. You can see that the price formed 2 more large red candlesticks, which easily closed our trade in a plus. You can see that the price continues to decline. A small increase in the price was at the beginning of the trade, but it did not prevent me from making good profit. So let me find my next entry point. So here you can see that moving averages have moved much closer, and I expect an early intersection. The price showed a large downward movement, after which there was a small reversal, and I'm expecting further price movement down the trend. So I'm going to open 2 trades for the total amount of the deposit. You can see the green moving average line crosses the red one from top to bottom. This is a clear sign for further price reduction. So the price scared me in the middle of the trade because there was the appearance of the green candlestick, which increased our risk. But by the end of the trade, you can see that the chart still continued its decline and successfully closed both trades in a plus. Therefore, it's important to open a trade at the moment of intersection or a few seconds before the intersection in order to avoid errors. The moving averages are actively moving closer to each other. The movement is almost parallel and the price is adjusted with minimum volatility. So I'm going to wait for a bit here. I'll wait for the moment when the green moving average crosses the red one from top to bottom, and then I'll be opening a trade because after such weak volatility, I may expect a full price fall. So an impulsive red candlestick abruptly caused the moving averages to cross. I'm going to open 2 short trades and see what will happen. The chart formed a huge red candlestick, which easily closed our trades in a plus. As expected, after a long correction with low volatility, the chart impulsively went down, and I easily made very good profit on this downward movement. You can see that now my profit is $11,613, and I would like to stop here today. So that was quite awesome. I made very good profit today, and I was able to hit my goal for today. It was quite easy and it was quite useful, this indicator. It gave me very good entry points, as you saw, and you can be able to use it as well in your own practice. You need to practice a lot with this indicator, but mainly you have to carry out technical analysis in your trades. If you want to check out about technical analysis, check out my other videos on the channel. And also, if you have questions concerning today's trade, I'm ready and willing to answer all your questions. You can join my private chat in Telegram channel, and the only way to do that is by going under this video. There is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Run with the code word money team, and I'll add you to this private chat, or you can find me in Telegram using this username. Join this Telegram chat and you'll be able to learn more about binary trading, because I always post there my trading signals. You'll be able to make very good profit on your own. I'll also reply to all your questions concerning today's trade or any binary question, and also you can be able to interact with the other members of the group. So please join, because it will be very useful for you. And also, if you like today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.